two homes sitting on this gorgeous 15.8 acre property here in beautiful Waynfleet. I'm David Hildebrand of the Wayne Skillster team, and I want to welcome you to my latest listing, 72170 Regional Road 27 here in Waynfleet. Now let's go fall in love.
Imagination roaming, memories are back. Feels like you were here, but I know it's not like that.
This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom farmhouse is different than your typical farmhouse because it has tons of space and that original character with pine hardwood flooring, exposed beams, brick walls, and detailed crown molding. We also have a soaring 2-story foyer that just is different than what your typical farmhouse normally has. In addition to that, we're looking at close to 4,000 square feet here at this house, and then close to 1,000 square feet over in the ADU.
I know that you were gone, but you're right here next to me, metaphorically, right here next to me, right here next to me. I know that you were gone, but you're right here next to me, metaphorically, right here next to me. Next to me, imagination roaming, memories are back. Feels like you were here, but I know it's not like that. And it's just in my mind, and maybe that's alright. Maybe that's alright. Imagination roaming, there's just not enough. I just want more time, but there's no plan in love. Baby, now you're up there, all the way.
The outbuilding on this property was totally revamped with permits in 2024, and we're standing right now in the exquisitely finished 1-bedroom accessory dwelling unit that has its own separate entrance, and it also has a balcony that you can sit on and enjoy some outdoor space without feeling like you're totally crammed. This space offers a beautiful opportunity to have multi-generational living here at this property. And below us, we've got a garage area with epoxy flooring and a flex space that can be used for a workout area or anything else that you'd want to do in terms of workshops, hobbies, and more.
I know that you were gone, but you're right here next to me, metaphorically, right here next to me. Right next to me. I know that you were gone, but you're right here next to me, metaphorically.
The land here is just as beautiful and well maintained as the homes sitting on the property. Behind me you can see a pond, there's also a creek, and then on the other side of the creek is 12 acres of workable land. Now, if this seems like your picture of paradise and you want to book a private showing or just get more information, you can call or text me directly at 905-353-5149.
Maybe that's alright. Imagination roaming.